It is important to keep track of your trends and sales, as this would help you to improve your future gig. This will not be an easy task, but it is in fact an efficient method. Without further ado, let's get started. When you are on the dashboard of your profile, hover over to the Selling tab and click on Analytics. As you can see, this is a rather new account, so there is no ongoing sales yet. But if you've been on Fiverr for quite some time, you will see that there will be some statistics here on this page. You will see how much you've earned this month, the orders you've created, the average selling price, and your positive ratings. These 4 options are on the top of the page. The next thing that you'll need to take note of is the statistics below. You can see the rate of getting new orders, gig extra orders, multiple orders, and delivered orders as well. When you scroll down further, you will see the statistics about your reviews. You will also see the reviews from your customers in general. Moving on, when you scroll down to the bottom, you will see how many active gigs you have, page views by your visitors, gigs saved, and the conversion rate of your gig. You will also be able to see the progress needed in order to level up your profile page. And that's all there is to it. It is advised that you keep track of your trends and sales once in a while in order to make sure everything is fine and to find more methods to improve your work.